Hello students, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are fine. I am back with a new video after a very long time. Today in this video, I will be discussing about the percentage composition, which is a very important topic in class 10 ICSE, because you can expect at least a sum from this particular topic. So in this video, I will be discussing three types of numericals on this topic, that is on percentage composition. So without wasting time, let's get started. Now, first we will know about what is percentage composition. Percentage composition is the percentage by weight of each element in the compound. So then what is the formula of the percentage composition? So as to find the percentage composition, first you have to divide. What you have to divide? The weight of the element in one molecule of the compound divided by the gram molecular weight of the compound, and then you have to multiply that with 100, because we know whenever we want to find the percentage, we have to multiply it with 100, right? So what is the weight of the element in one molecule of the compound? It is nothing but the atomic weight of that element. In most of the cases, the atomic weight of the elements are given in the question paper itself. So you don't have to worry, but it's better if you can memorize the atomic weight of some few common elements. And the gram molecular weight is nothing but the molecular weight of that compound. Okay, so let's see few examples or numericals on this topic. The first one is, calculate the percentage by weight of the following. Okay, in the first case, what is it? Potassium in potassium dichromate. That means in potassium dichromate compound, you have to find out the percentage of potassium. How much percentage potassium is present in potassium dichromate, right? Now, what is the formula of potassium dichromate? The formula of potassium dichromate is K2Cr2O7. Okay, so now first and foremost you have to find out the molecular weight of potassium dichromate. Now what is the atomic weight of potassium? It's 39. It's given already. Chromium's atomic weight is 52 and oxygen's atomic weight is 16. So we know that the formula of potassium dichromate is K2Cr2O7. That means it will be 78, that is 39 into 2, 78 plus 52 into 2, 104 plus 16 into 7, that is 112. So if you add all these three numbers, then you will get 294. So what is the molecular weight of potassium dichromate? It is 294. Now basically you have to find out that in 294 potassium or 294 gram of potassium dichromate, how much percentage of potassium is present? See, in 294 gram of potassium dichromate, 78 gram of potassium is present. That we can clearly see from here. So just by unitary method you can do, or by applying the formula you can do, that is the atomic weight of the potassium that is present in potassium dichromate, that is 78, divided by the molecular weight of the compound, that is 294 into 100, right? Now if you do this, then you will get 26.53 percentage. That means in this potassium dichromate, 26.53 percentage of potassium is present. I think it is absolutely clear to you all. So this is how you have to find out the percentage composition of a particular element. Next, you have to find out the percentage composition of phosphorus in calcium phosphate. Now what is the formula of calcium phosphate? It is Ca3PO4 whole twice. Now all the atomic weight will be given. Okay, the atomic weight of calcium is 40, phosphorus is 31 and oxygen is 16, that we have already seen in the previous sum, right? Now first we have to find out the molecular weight of the calcium phosphate. Calcium phosphate, how many calcium is present? 3 molecules of calcium. So 3 into 40. Okay. Then phosphorus 31 Then oxygen will be 4 2s are 8, that means total 8 molecules of oxygen. So 8 into 16. If you add all of them, you will get 310. So now we have to find out of this 310 gram of calcium phosphate, how much percentage of phosphorus is present. Again, the same formula you will apply. So how many percentage or how much phosphorus is present? Let us see. Phosphorus is P2. That means 31 into 2. That is 62. See, here it's written 62. Now 62 divided by 310 into 100. Simply by applying this formula, we can get the percentage, and the percentage that you will get is 20%. So by this, we can easily find out the percentage of any element in a compound. I think it is absolutely clear to all of you. Now let us move on to the next type. Here it has been said, calculate the mass of nitrogen supplied to the soil by 5 kg of urea. Okay, how we will do that? Again, it's very easy by applying the knowledge of unitary method. Now the formula of urea is CONH2 whole twice. CONH2 whole twice. All the atomic weights are given. Carbon is 12, oxygen is 16, nitrogen is 14, but here it will be 2 molecules, so 14 into 2, 28, and hydrogen 4 molecules, 2 into 2, 4. Total 4 molecules of hydrogen are present. So 1 into 4, that is 4. So if you add all of these numbers, you will be getting 60 gram. So total 60 gram of urea is present. Now out of the 60 gram, we know that nitrogen present is 28 gram. So if 60 gram of urea contains 28 gram, then here it's 5 kg. 5 kg means how many grams? 5 into 1000 gram, right? 1 kg means 1000 gram. So 5 kg means 5000 gram. It is very simple. So how we will find it out? We will then do that 60 gram of urea contains 28 gram, right? So 1 gram of urea will contain 28 by 60, right? Then 5000 gram will contain into 5000 we will do. Simple unitary method. Now if you do this calculation, finally you will be getting 2333.3 gram of nitrogen is present in 5 kg of urea. So this type of sum can also come in ICSE. Okay, this is the second type of sum in percentage composition. I think it is absolutely clear to you all. Now moving to the last type, that is calculate the percentage of water of crystallization in washing soda. What is the formula of washing soda? It's Na2CO3, that is sodium carbonate, dot 10 H2O. 10 molecules of water is present over here, and that is the water of crystallization. I think already you know about the water of crystallization. Still I am explaining a little bit. Water of crystallization is the water molecule which is basically connected or it is attached to a compound very loosely, so that very easily the compound can lose this water of crystallization. Okay, so that the compound can easily lose these water molecules. That is known as water of crystallization. Now you have to calculate the percentage of water of crystallization in washing soda. For that, first you have to find out the molecular weight of washing soda. So Na2CO3.10H2O, that you know. Now sodium is 23. So here 2 molecules present, so 23 into 2. Then carbon is 12. Then oxygen 3 molecules are present, so 16 into 3. Then you have to add the 10 molecules of water. Water means what? H2O. H2 molecules are present, so 2 into 1, 2. Right? And oxygen is 16. So total is 18. So 1 water molecule, the molecular weight is 18. Here 10 water molecules are present. So it will be 10 into 18. Right? So if you perform the whole calculation, then at the end you will get 286. So the molecular weight of washing soda will be 286 gram. Now, simple, you have to find out the percentage of water of crystallization. So, 18 into 10 gives you 180, right? Again, the same formula, that is 180 divided by 286 into 100, because 180 is the total number of water of crystallization that is present in washing soda and 286 is the molecular weight of washing soda. Then into 100. After you perform this calculation, after calculating this, you will get 62.94% of water of crystallization. So, you can expect one sum from percentage composition in ICSE chemistry question paper. I think all these three types of sums are absolutely clear to you all. Still, if you find any problem, you can definitely write your doubt in the comment section. I will get back to you. Okay, so please support my channel. New videos will be uploaded very soon. Stay tuned for that. Please subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. And thank you for watching the video and thanks for your support.